Hey, what's up guys? I'm here for another video lesson. This one's actually going to be really important because I am going to go back and try to explain things a little bit better here. I know everyone's confused when they see most of this stuff. I had people ask me questions exactly what is everything, and please teach me as if I was a child. So I'm going to try to explain it. I made a little simple column here. Okay, now this is a chart, which once again, if you guys read the lessons on the candles, you'll see that green day, red day, red day, red day, red day, green day. And you guys will know that it opens, green opens on the bottom, closes at the top. If the red opens at the top, closes at the bottom. And this will explain how far it went in as far as highs and lows. Now, if you don't understand what I'm talking about, go back to, I think it's lesson number 5, where it's a presentation on a PowerPoint. That'll explain the candles, so you'll be able to understand what that means. This right here is my order. Hold on, give me a second. This is my order entry. Let's see if I can make this any bigger. Can it? I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, so here I type in what company I want to go for or what company I'm looking at. So just as an example here, I'm going to put in, I don't know, what am I trading right now? I am trading, I even forgot what I'm trading. Let's just put, for now, let's do SPEX. So that's going to show me that it's trading at $3.09 at this moment a share. Okay, this quantity shows how many shares I want to buy or sell. See, buy, sell, short, cover. This is gonna, I'm gonna teach this later on, but for now, buy and sell. So if I want to buy 2,000 shares, price limit here tells me whether I want to buy at a limit, which is I want to buy this stock when it's at 309, only at 309. You can do market. It will sell it to you for whatever the market is giving it to you for right now. They're trying to sell it for 301. I'm sorry, they're trying to sell it for 310, and people are buying it at 301. So that would be market. Market on close, that's obviously after hours. Stop on quote, stop limit quote. These are all to prevent it from ever dropping below a price that you want to sell it at. So, alrighty. So let me just go more into depth about this. You got an order entry. You got yourself the chart here. These are W2s, which basically explain the buyers and, I'm sorry, the sellers and the buyers. The buyers are going to be on this side. The sellers are going to be on this side. They're going to tell you what they're trying to sell it at, and they're going to tell you what they're asking for it. I'm sorry, they're going to tell you what they're trying to sell it at. These people are going to try what they're trying to buy it at. Depending on how many people are on this side and how many people are on this side, you can kind of see the size of how much they want to buy. And from there, you can kind of determine where the stock's going to go next. Give me a second. Here you go. All right, so and I just want to go more in depth real quick as far as people buying SPEX. These are the people that are selling it. These are the people that are buying it. Right now, obviously, the market is closed. It is July 3rd. Market is closed tomorrow. I don't know if you guys can hear the fireworks outside, but it's fucking crazy out here. So these people are trying to sell 1,400 shares, and they're asking for $3.10 each share. Then here you would see the buyers, people that are trying to buy it, and it's usually at a lower price. So if it's basic negotiation to that point, that's how these stocks move. Now that you guys know what the entry is, order entry, and this software here is called ETrade. You see this? So that's a broker account that you can get under ETrade. ETrade is a broker itself, an electronic broker. This shows everything that I've done as far as how many shares I bought, how many shares I've sold. As you can see, like an example here, would be what I bought today was 1,000 shares at 126 of MSDI, which after hours MSDI closed at 127. I bought in at 120, a little bit under 127, and then after hours it's gone up by 50 fucking cents from my information. So that is effing crazy. I actually need to see this. Let's pull this up. All action. So yeah, it's actually, this last trade is actually not 50 cents, sorry. It actually is at 146. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me try to make that bigger. I don't know if you guys can see that. Anyway, cost me 127. They rounded it up to 127. This last trade is 146. So far I'm at $191 in profit for this. And this happens fucking daily. If you guys aren't paying attention yet, I hope you guys start paying attention, because it is fucking ridiculous how much money you can make if you just know the strategy that I'm using. And it's pretty fucking simple. Down here is a watch list. So this just shows me all the stocks and companies that I'm watching. This is the symbols, the tickers. Remember from lesson 1, tickers, right? This is whether it has news. So if it pops up with news here, you get to click on it, and then this opens here with news, and it shows you what the news is on the company. That is my watch list, okay? This is what I make the night before, and this is what I watch the day of when the market is open. Let's bring that back down. This little cool shit down here is just to sell and buy fast. This is like without details, you just need to sell now. These are basically just movers, stocks that are moving. It's kind of like my scanner here. This is to transfer my money. Whoa, my batteries didn't die. This is to transfer my money in case I want to transfer money out. Anyway, just to keep this video short because my battery is going low and I forgot my charger in my vehicle. I wanted to show you guys something. So I called MSDI today. It opened at 66 cents, guys. 66 fucking cents, okay? And it closed at 127. Do you see the pattern here? Look at the volume. Look, a little bit of volume picking up, and boom. 66 cents a share. It closed at 127. I don't think you guys understand what the fuck that means. 66 cents a share. 161%. Plus an extra 12% aftermarket. Dude, that is fucking ridiculous. Anyway,